imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are fuel consumption, city 19 mpg, fuel consumption, highway 26 mpg, power windows, 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, first and second row curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, digital audio input and audio system memory card slot. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.